In this lesson, we are going to walk through a multiple choice question about safety valves, so you can see how to trace the reasoning just like a textbook or a tutor would show you. Here is the question. Safety valves are a blank dash blank type. We have four choices. Choice A says shall be connected to the boiler. Choice B says clean flux, heat solder. Choice C says a dielectric kit or fitting. Choice D says pop dash spring type. Option D, pop dash spring type, is correct because Part 14 specifies the safety valve type capacity testing and superheater valve requirements, and a pop dash spring valve matches those rules. Now, let us explain why the other choices do not fit. Choice A suggests a requirement to be connected to the boiler, which conflicts with the same Part 14 rules on type and placement. Choice B describes soldering materials, which has nothing to do with the required safety valve type or testing requirements. Choice C suggests a dielectric kit or fitting, which also contradicts the Part 14 guidance. Each of those would violate the capacity testing or placement rules for safety valves. To reinforce the idea, let's sketch a simple boiler and pop spring valve. Here is the boiler body. We draw the pipe that carries steam up. Now we add a pop spring safety valve, which releases pressure automatically when it opens. This visual reminds us that pop spring types are the ones that satisfy Part 14 requirements. To wrap up, always check Part 14 for the safety valve type, capacity credit, and testing rules. Pop spring valves are the standard that meets those requirements, whereas the other options fail to line up with the code. Keep that logic handy when reviewing similar multiple choice questions.